you guys missed episode 2, I did build this organizer roller cart last episode, and I did do a mini inventory unboxing. So if you missed that video and you'd like to see it, go ahead and click the link in the description box as well as the cards above, and go ahead and check out the playlist because I will have episode 1 and episode 2 in that playlist as well. So if you're returning, this is episode 3, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge inventory unboxing. I have a lot of stuff. As you guys saw in the previous clip, I did show a little bit of all the boxes that I'm going to be unboxing today. The very big box is my desk for my office that I'm in right now. And by the way, this is my dog Prince. Prince, say hi. He's trying to like lay down, but yes, this is Prince. I should have said that earlier because you guys are probably like, what is that? But yeah, this is my dog. So anyway, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I got. So this is the first thing that I'm the most excited to open because this is my bubble mailers. I'm so excited. I ordered 100 of them. I got a really good deal on them. So these are them. So they're just light pink bubble mailers. So I'll show you guys. You guys kind of get the point. It's just bubble wrap on the inside, and then it has this self-sealing thing. So I'm going to be using this to mail off my hair growth oils. So I'm going to wrap it in bubble wrap, and then I'm just going to place them inside here like this. So yeah, it's a perfect fit for about 1 oil. I'm probably going to get bigger sizes just in case someone orders more than one. And I also got some boxes for like really large orders or medium-sized orders. So yeah, so I got about 100 of them. I'm going to be counting these later to make sure I got all of them. But yeah, so that was the thing I was the most excited to open, so I want to do that one first. So the next thing that I ordered were these USPS medium flat rate boxes. So you can go on the USPS website and you can order these for free. I ordered about 25 of them. These are going to be for like orders that fit things that weigh over a pound, and that I would want to put in here because if you don't know, flat rate boxes are just one flat rate. So whatever you can fit into it, as long as it doesn't go over the pound requirement, you can fit it in there and it'll just ship at one flat rate. So anything that I put in here is going to cost me about $13, but I can put as much as I want and it won't increase the price. Versus if you're putting if you're going to be mailing something first class, it goes by weight. So however much it weighs is how much however much it weighs will depend on how much it's going to cost you to ship it. But this, the weight doesn't matter. It's the box that matters on how much it's going to cost you. So yeah, so this is that's why I got these for like orders that if I were to use my own boxes, it would be, and I put it in there, the weight would be more than $13 to ship. I would just put it in here to just save me money. I hope that makes sense, but if you guys are curious about that, there's plenty of videos on YouTube explaining like USPS shipping and flat rate boxes, but that's why I got these. I also ordered some small flat rate boxes as well. The small flat rate boxes ship for like $7 something. So if I don't have to use the medium ones, I'm definitely not going to because those are more expensive to ship. So I'll do this one next. So this is, I ordered an oil. So I'm going to open this. This is an oil that I'm going to be using for my hair growth oil as well as my deep conditioner. And if you guys are new here, I am starting a natural hair care line. I should have mentioned that in the beginning of the video. But yeah, this is just one of my oils that I ordered. It came in really fast. And this is about 1 gallon. So I'm really excited. I've been trying to find a really good deal on this specific oil, and I found the best deal that I could possibly find. So I'm really happy about that. So the next thing, so in this box, I ordered some jars to put my deep conditioner in. So opening this now. I use my keys to open my box because I don't have a box cutter. about 48. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says 48. So I'm just gonna show you guys. My dog doesn't like the noise, so he's getting up and leaving. So yeah, these are my 8-ounce jars that my deep conditioner are gonna be in. I also ordered 4-ounce jars. Those ones should be in tomorrow. So this video is gonna be split into 2 sections so I can show you guys what the 4-ounce ones look like. And then these are just the caps. So obviously I got 48 of the caps as well. So I actually like this jar better than this original company I was gonna go with. But yeah, so this is what they look like. Pretty basic, simple. And so these are gonna be what I put my deep conditioner in. Yeah, I like them. All right, so I have a big box over there, but I'll show you guys that later. I did go to Dollar Tree and I did get some things. Prince, can you sit still? Making so much noise. Lay down. Okay, so all right, so I think I showed you guys in episode 1 some of the the bags that I was going to be using for like pickup orders for family and friends. So when I'm giving, having pickup orders for family and friends, I'm going to be putting them in gift bags. So the colors of my business, as mentioned before, is this peachy pink as well as like a bright yellow. So I found a really good deal at Dollar Tree. Before when I went there the first time, they had 2 for $1, but they have these smaller sizes for the same exact color for 3 for $1. And honestly, these are really big, and I do need bigger sizes depending on what the person orders. But if someone orders like 1 item or 2 items, they can go into these small bags. So I ordered a bunch. I didn't order, but I bought a bunch of them. Let me show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I keep saying ordered, but I bought about 5 packs, and they were all $1. So I'm really excited about that. So here we go. So I wanted to show you guys that. What else did I buy? I did buy some tape to just take down my shipping labels. I bought some packing tape as well for the boxes. I got a Sharpie. I'm trying to think. I don't think I got anything else, but I just wanted to show you guys that since I got that from Dollar Tree. All right, so this is the next box. It's really big. So they really messed up this box. This box is all jacked up. So I ordered 7 by 7 by 7 boxes. I ordered about 100 of them. So yeah, so these are the boxes that I ordered. So these are going to be for things that are under £1 and don't weigh enough to ship priority, or when it makes sense to ship it priority. So those are going to be for those type of orders. Because the deep conditioners, I don't feel comfortable putting deep conditioner in bubble mailers. I know some people do it, but I just feel like that's just a recipe for disaster. I feel like boxes are more secure and stable, and I don't want to have any like damaged items or getting to the customer damaged. So I'm going to be using boxes for my deep conditioners, and I'm also going to be using packing peanuts as well, just so that there's no moving around and stuff like that. And I'm obviously going to wrap it in bubble wrap just because I don't want to have any issues when the packages are in transit. So I got about 100 of them. They came with about, there's about 4 more this size inside. So the next thing that came in, and the last thing that came in, is my desk. So I'm gonna show you guys the box. So yeah, this is the box, that's the desk. So I'm going to put that together, and I'm just gonna video record myself putting it together, and you guys are gonna watch me kind of like the last episode where I put this together. And then I'm gonna come back tomorrow because I am getting another package in just to show you guys what else I got. And yeah, so one of the things that I did do today that was business related is I did open up a P.O. box. So the P.O. box is important when you're starting a business if you're gonna be shipping things to people, because obviously when you ship stuff, it's gonna have a return address on the package, and you don't want to have your home address, because then every person who ever orders from you is going to know where you live, and your personal information is going to be going across the country or the world depending on where you're going to be shipping. So that's why I did that, just to keep my privacy, and it's just going to have my business name and then the P.O. box. So I'm really happy that I did that today. So yeah, so that's all my orders. I do have more stuff coming in, but everything else that I ordered is coming sporadically, so there will be more inventory hauls coming soon. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna put that together, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow when I show you guys my next order that is coming in. So see you guys soon. So the desk is finally complete. Here it is. It wasn't hard. The instructions were easy or whatever, but I didn't really have the right screwdriver. It was a little stripped, so it was hard to screw the nails into, but yes. So this was about $45 at Walmart. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. This is all I need. So yeah, so I built this today, and last week I built this. So I'm liking it. I might move the roller cart to the other side. But yeah, I like it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. I was gonna end the video, but I wanted to show you guys two more things. So I did get my 4-ounce jars in. I already opened it, but actually, yeah, so this is what they look like. These are going to be my sample sizes. I do have, hold on. This is what the jar looks like. And then my 8-ounce is obviously double the size. So these would be my sample sizes. So if anyone wants to try it out before they buy, sorry, my dog is in here and he's being loud. But if anyone wants to buy this before the sample size, before they go ahead and commit to the big size, I'll have that available on my site. So I did get a big package. So I'm opening that now. I'm just going to show you guys everything that I got. So, okay, so these, I bought some hair nets. As you guys can see, so I bought hair nets. This came with 100 hair nets, so that when I'm like making my deep conditioner and I'm making my oil, I want to just make sure I have these on my head just so that no hair or anything gets into my product. I did purchase a scale. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is, let's see. It's the Accuteck scale. I got the black one. Everyone gets the rose gold one, but that one's cute, and I was thinking about getting that one, but that one's like $11.99 plus shipping, and the shipping is like $10, so you're spending like, yeah, it would be way more expensive than buying the black one, and it's from the same company, so I didn't see the purpose. So this is just some tissue paper. It's yellow tissue paper, and I bought this to go inside of my gift bags. So basically, these are my business colors. So whenever I do pickup orders, my pickup orders will have this gift wrap inside of the bags. I also got these fragile stickers to put on my bubble mailers and boxes that go out, just so that, you know, these delivery drivers and stuff will just, hopefully that will prompt them to be gentle with my items. I also got 100 of these organza bags. Jeez, they didn't even like close it. That's so weird. But yeah, so I got 3x4. I hope it's big enough. Yeah, it's a little small, but like it just fits the top barely. But yeah, I'm gonna have to decide if I want to get bigger ones or if I just want to keep these. But when I measured it, it was supposed to be a little bit higher, but yeah. And then I got just some printer paper for my printer. And then I bought, this is a measuring cup, like an ounce measuring cup. So I bought this so that I could measure my essential oils. It has like tablespoons on one side, milliliters and ounces. So that I can get the accurate measurements for my essential oils. And then I just got 2 oils that I know I'm gonna need more of. So that's the end of this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.